Raising chickens is a process that requires patience and meticulous care. From preparing the chicken coop to daily feeding management and disease prevention, there are numerous key points to consider. The well-established chicken raising process ensures healthy growth and enhances farming efficiency. Prepare the chicken coop by selecting a location away from pollution sources, on higher ground that is dry, well-drained, and well-ventilated. For instance, avoid areas near factories or waste disposal sites. Consider placing it next to an orchard, allowing chickens to forage for insects while their manure fertilizes fruit trees. Construct a coop appropriate for the scale of your operation, ensuring ample space. The coop must provide shelter from wind and rain while maintaining suitable temperatures. Ensure warmth in winter and heat dissipation in summer. Walls and roof should incorporate effective insulation materials. For colder northern winters, add heat lamps inside the coop. Thoroughly disinfect the coop before introducing chickens. Spray and wipe down walls, floors, and equipment with disinfectant, then ventilate until dry. For example, use peracetic acid diluted to the appropriate concentration for disinfection. Select chicks based on farming objectives, for example, egg production, meat production. For egg production, breeds like the Highline Brown are suitable for high egg output and quality. For meat production, fast-growing breeds like white broiler chickens are recommended. Health inspection. Select chicks that are healthy, active, have glossy feathers, and alert eyes. Check that the chick's vent is clean, avoiding those with a sticky vent, as this may indicate poor health.